Welcome back everyone. So today we are discussing how you can set up your fingerprint as well as your face lock app in your Windows 11 system. Okay, so how you can do that, let's do it. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel. Okay, so click on start bar and search settings. You can search here. Okay, and you can direct click on settings app. Okay, when you click on settings app, you can see lots of option. Okay, so you have to go accounts. Okay, left hand side you can see accounts option, you can click on it. Okay, when you click on it, slide down a little bit and you can see sign in option. Okay, this sign in option is the key. Okay, so you have to click on sign in option. When you click on sign in option, there are many ways. Okay, there are many ways. First, facial recognition. Okay, second, fingerprint recognition. Okay, so we will do one by one. Okay, so we will see first fingerprint recognition. So you can see I have already add my fingerprint in this laptop. Okay, so one thing is this. Okay, so you can remove it or add it if your laptop is supported. Okay, if your hardware is supported. Okay, and next we can see facial recognition. So this is currently unavailable because my laptop hardware is not compatible with that, camera is not compatible with that. So in this option you can set up, if your camera is compatible with that, you can set up your face lock. Okay, so that's it for today. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.